It's called The Rose Who Grew from Concrete, and it's just talking about how can something so beautiful come from a place that's so terrible.
We had a guest in our room today who was helping us with a writing workshop, and he was focusing on the genre of hip-hop, which overlaps a lot with poetry, because I think that especially in English class, a lot of times kids think that what we read doesn't have anything to do with their lives, it doesn't relate to them, where they do listen to rap music. And if not rap music, they listen to some sort of music that has lyrics that rhyme and abide by some of the same rules that he was talking about today.
Super beneficial for us, and I know it just gives us a different way of learning because not everybody learns the same. Like me personally, I really like rap and hip hop type music, so it was cool to see how that relates to what we're doing in class, because we're doing a lot of stuff with poetry.
And it's pretty awesome that the district offers so much money through the foundation, because there are so many things that teachers can't do because of budget restrictions, and there's no way I would have been able to host him in here if that wasn't an option.